Hello to all of you, our dear companions at the Deep Dive channel. I hope you're doing great. Have you ever looked at the sky and asked yourself, what if that bright, life-giving sun were to change one day? Not just turn off, but be replaced by one of the strangest and most terrifying monsters in the cosmos? What would our fate be? By the end of this video, you will understand how fragile our existence is, and you will become acquainted with a power that bends the very laws of physics. But first, we begin from a familiar place. A normal day on Earth. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You pull back the curtains, expecting the warm, golden light of the sun. But instead, there's something else in the sky. We always see the sun as a friend, the source of life and warmth. But the common belief is that the greatest danger is the sun burning out. The truth is, the universe has replacements for our sun compared to which absolute darkness would be a sweet dream. This video is a journey into these terrifying scenarios, where we will see what would happen if our planet's sun were replaced by a red giant, a scorching blue star, a deadly pulsar, or an invisible black hole. So, which death is more painful? Burning, freezing, or disappearing into the darkness? Let's begin with a scenario that is the definitive fate of our own sun, albeit in about 5 billion years. Let's assume that event happens tomorrow, and our sun turns into a red giant. Red giants are old stars that have exhausted the hydrogen fuel in their cores and have begun burning their outer layers. This process causes them to swell dramatically, becoming so large they can swallow nearby planets. If our sun became a red giant tomorrow, our sky would turn a fiery red, a colossal crimson orb filling the entire expanse of the sky, beautiful but only for a few moments. The surface of this new star is cooler than our current sun, but because of its unimaginable size, the light it sends us is hundreds of times more intense. This means an immediate and terrifying rise in temperature. Our oceans, the cradle of life, would begin to boil within hours, all their water evaporating and cloaking the Earth in a thick, scorching atmosphere of water vapor. The Earth would become a cosmic pressure cooker. Any life on land would be incinerated in the first few minutes, turning to ash. The intense heat would then melt the Earth's crust, and our planet would become a molten sphere of rock and metal. Ultimately, the outer edges of this red giant would get so close that it would engulf the Earth, our planet disappearing forever into the heart of the star that once gave it life. Even Mars wouldn't be safe. This is a swift, fiery, and inescapable death where our creator becomes our executioner. Well, the burning scenario is horrifying. Would you prefer to burn or freeze to death? The next scenario is the exact opposite. Imagine our sun is replaced by a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in our galaxy. They are much smaller, dimmer, and cooler than our sun. If one of them took the sun's place, the first thing we would feel is darkness. Our daytime sky would resemble twilight, and the only thing visible would be a small, reddish-orange dot. It would be as if our sun were perpetually setting in the distance, an eternal sunset. With the diminishing light, the temperature would plummet. Within a week, the Earth's average temperature would drop below freezing. The oceans would begin to freeze from the surface down until our entire planet becomes a giant snowball. Plants, which need sunlight for photosynthesis, would be the first victims. With the death of plants, the food chain would collapse. Herbivores would die of starvation, followed by carnivores. Humans might survive for a while in underground shelters using geothermal or nuclear energy, but this would only delay the execution. Eventually, the Earth's atmosphere would become so cold that its gases, like carbon dioxide, would fall as snow onto the planet's frozen surface. Earth would become a dead, silent world, an icy graveyard silently orbiting a dim star. This is a gradual, cold, and hopeless death. But this icy fate, compared to what we are about to see, is a mercy, because at least the planet itself remains intact. So far, we've seen death by fire and ice, but what if the sun's replacement was an incredibly hot and energetic star, a blue star? Blue stars are the young, hot, and brilliant giants of the stellar world, with tens of times the mass of our sun and producing thousands of times more energy. If a blue star took our sun's place, our daytime sky would change to a blinding blue-white color. Looking at it for a moment would permanently destroy the eyes. The amount of radiation reaching Earth, especially ultraviolet rays, would increase hundreds of times. Any living creature exposed would suffer fatal burns within seconds. The temperature would rise at an unimaginable rate. The oceans, this time in minutes, would reach a boiling point, and all the planet's water would vaporize. The Earth's atmosphere would be blasted away into space by this immense energy, leaving our planet naked and defenseless. Rocks and metals on the surface would melt, creating rivers of lava. In less than an hour, our Earth would be completely sterilized and turned into a molten sphere. This is the fastest and most brutal end imaginable, an instantaneous death by pure radiation and heat. But at least it's a quick end. The next scenario is a long and cruel torture. Imagine this time our sun is replaced by a neutron star. Neutron stars are the dense remnants of a supernova explosion of a massive star. They have more mass than our sun, but it's compressed into a sphere the size of a city. A single teaspoon of neutron star material weighs billions of tons. If one of these took our sun's place because it produces no light, our sky would become permanently dark. The eternal night would begin, and the Earth would slowly start to freeze, as in the red dwarf scenario. But there is one major, deadly difference. Many neutron stars rotate rapidly, shooting powerful beams of radiation into space like a lighthouse. These are called pulsars. If our neutron star were a pulsar, Earth would be periodically exposed to these deadly beams. Every time this beam hits Earth, all our electronic systems would fail. Living beings would suffer severe burns and radiation sickness. This radiation could damage DNA and cause genetic mutations. We would be trapped in a frozen world that gets lashed by a deadly wave of energy every few seconds or minutes. This is a dual death, from both cold and radiation, an endless torture in the dark. More dangerous than a neutron star is its cousin, the magnetar. Magnetars are also a type of neutron star, but with a terrifying feature. They have the strongest magnetic fields known in the universe. A magnetar's magnetic field is 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's, so strong that it can alter the fabric of reality. If a magnetar replaced our sun, a different catastrophe would occur before we could worry about cold or radiation. The magnetic field of this monster would erase the data on your credit cards from hundreds of millions of kilometers away. But that's our least significant problem. This field would instantly destroy all electronic devices on Earth. The power grid, satellites, computers, all would fail. Modern civilization would be extinguished in an instant. But the main disaster happens to us. The magnetar's magnetic field would rip the electrons from the atoms in our bodies. The molecular structure of our bodies would disintegrate. We would literally be torn apart at an atomic level. This is a quick, bizarre, and fundamental death, in which the very structure of our being is dismantled. So far, we've considered various stars. But now we arrive at the most terrifying scenario. What if our sun was replaced by a black hole of the same mass? The first thing that comes to mind is that we would all be sucked into it, right? This is one of the biggest misconceptions about black holes. An object's gravity depends on its mass, not its type. If a black hole with the exact same mass as the sun took its place, the solar system's gravity would not change. Earth and the other planets would continue to orbit in the exact same paths. So, are we safe? Not at all. The problem is that this black hole has no light. From the moment of replacement, our sky would become completely dark. The sun would disappear forever, replaced by an empty black void. We couldn't see the black hole itself because it traps light. The only way to see it is through a phenomenon called gravitational lensing, where the light from distant stars would be bent as it passes by the black hole, and we would see those stars in strange, distorted shapes. Our sky would become a surrealist painting. But on Earth, the story is much bleaker. Without the sun's light and heat, the Earth would rapidly freeze, just like the red dwarf scenario, but this time in absolute darkness. The planet's temperature would drop to minus 100 degrees Celsius within a few months, and eventually to minus 200 degrees. The oceans would freeze, the atmosphere would solidify and fall onto the surface. Earth would become a dead, dark, and frozen rock, orbiting an invisible monster in eternal silence. This is perhaps the most tragic end possible, a gradual demise in cold and absolute darkness. On this journey, we have witnessed different scenarios for the end of the world. From burning in the embrace of a red giant, to being torn apart by a magnetar and freezing in the darkness of a black hole. Each was terrifying and awe-inspiring. This journey reminds us that our existence and civilization depend on a very delicate balance. We live on a small planet orbiting an ordinary, calm star in a cozy corner of the galaxy. Our sun is not too big, not too small, not too hot, and not too cold. It is exactly what we need. The universe is full of powerful monsters, and we live in a safe haven. Perhaps the next time you look at the sun, you'll remember that it's not just a glowing orb. It is the guardian of our lives in a ruthless cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey at Deep Dive. We consider you a part of our team, and your presence is invaluable. We love you all.